Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Chords, back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we're doing Epidemic by Polo G. It's a request by one of y'all, so we're gonna do that. This is a very simple song. Put your capo on fret number 6, and we're playing the following chords. Okay, the first chord is gonna be in A minor, C, right? And then we go to G, and then F, okay? A minor, C, and then G, F. Now if you're not familiar with the chords, you can check out my chord video, and after you do that, you can come back here for the illustration and the progressions. So for those of you who are more advanced players, we're gonna try and imitate the song itself. So it goes, this is 5 4 3 2 on A minor, and then 5 4 3, and then 5 4 3 1 on C, right? And then we go for G, we're playing 6 4 3 2, right? 6 4 3 2, and then we go to F and play 6 5 4 3, and that's it. And that's the whole song, guys. The verse, the chorus, everything is just the same chords. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you, and let me know in the comment section below any other new songs that you need me to check out. I will get to that. Otherwise, see you guys in the next video.